Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So here's errors. Apple ID locked for security reasons. So how can fix this issue? Simply steps by step and follow them. So first of all, open settings on your iPhone and iPad. After that, tap on your Apple ID and then tap on continue. After that, here issues Apple account locked. Your Apple ID account has been locked for security reasons. So how can unlocking this account? So first tap on unlock account. Now tap it. Now unlock account. Enter your trusted phone number to continue. Now tap on your trusted phone number and then tap on continue. So waiting a few seconds. Now is asking send to code your trusted phone, unlock your account on with verification code and send to your trusted phone number. After that, tap on send code to your phone number and then sending a code and check that your phone inbox and type here verification code. Now tap it. Now now he is asking enter a password to unlock your account. Enter the password Apple ID, then tap on password. Tap continue, but is cannot verify, but you tap on forget password. Tap it. Now verifying and wait few seconds. Enter iPhone passcode to unlock your phone and help you regain access to Apple account. Then wait few seconds. Now enter new password. Tap here. Again retype password. Tap continue. Now your has been locked unlocked. Your Apple account password also be reset successfully found in your now password to sign in. Tap done and then sign in iCloud on my phone. So enter iPhone passcode. Waiting few seconds. Back home screen, close the page, again open settings. Now you can see he is signing iCloud. So guys, if you have any problem, tell in the comment, I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.